Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to demonstrate this beautiful rainbow eye makeup, and yes, this is the Pride month, so I have come up with this Pride look to show some support to the LGBTQ community. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my profile. Go follow me over there for makeup, skincare, fashion and everything. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get this started. Okay, so we will start by concealing the lid, and today we will be using the Wet n Wild concealer, and the shade number is medium tawny, which looks like this. We'll blend it out with this dampen sponge. Using this powder from this Wet n Wild contour palette on the concealed areas to avoid creases. So today I am using this La Katrina palette from Delancey, and I will start by using this dark green color right here called Ethics. And the pencil brush I am using right now is from Morphe, and the brush number is M431. So I'll start by depositing the color first. Then comes this royal blue called Soul, and I'll be using the same brush. Then we'll take this shade called Cambia, and it's a beautiful purple color. Now I'm just blending it out using this thin blending brush from Morphe, and the brush number is M562. Now since I need a little lighter version of all these colors, I will be using this color book from Beauty Glazed. Okay, so for the purple outside, I'll take this beautiful lavender color. The color is this, and it's called Purple. And this light blue called Ocean for the blue in the middle. And then I'll just get back to this La Katrina palette, and I'll choose this lighter shade of green called Story for the green inside. And then I'll take this very light green called Spint, and I'll just use it on the starting of this green. The next I'll just cut out the crease, and for that we will be using a Q-tip, a flat one like this, and some micellar water. The next I'll take a little bit of concealer on this thin flat brush. The next I'll take this NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'll use this same brush to draw a wing. I'm not blending it, I'm just dabbing the product, you can see. Okay, so let me wipe this very well. And the next I'll take this dark crimson red from the Delancey palette, and the shade name is Sunseas probably. And I'll just dab it on the tail of this wing. And I'll just move towards this lighter shade of red gradually. This one is Show, and this one is called World. and I'll just create the transition towards orange. So I couldn't find any proper orange in that palette, so I'll be moving back to this color book from Beauty Glaze, and I'll be taking this shade, this bright orange color called Sunrise. The next, for the inner corner, I'll be using this bright yellow called Lemon. I'll just dab the color first and later on I'll blend it. The next, I'll take this golden foil color from the Beauty Glazed palette and I'll just fill this gap in between. So I have taken this flat elongated brush from Primer. I really don't know the brush number or something because I'm using it from quite some time, and I'll pick up this shade a little bit. For my lower eye, I'll start with this beautiful pink from the Delancey palette, and the shade name is Feast. Then I'll use this lavender color called Purple from the Beauty Glazed palette. Use whatever palette you have, doesn't really matter, you just need the colors. And lastly, I'll just use this color called Aqua. This is a beautiful bright light blue shade. The next, I'll use this white cake liner from the CG Beauty, and I'll draw a beautiful butterfly with. Before jumping into the liner, I'll complete highlighting my face first, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold today. Okay, so I have activated it with a little bit of water on this brush. To add a little bit of contrast, I'll be using this eyeliner from LYB Makeup today, and I'll create tiny dots and a little bit of detailing in this butterfly. To cover the waterline today, I'll be using this nude liner from Rimmel Scandalize today, and it looks like this. So it's almost done. I have done a different kind of design on the other eye to just balance it out, and now I'll just curl my lashes very well and will apply an even coat of mascara. And today the mascara I'll be using is from L'Oreal Paris and it's called Voluminous Black. Voluminous Carbon Black. So lastly, I'll add some falsies, but before that, I wanna go in with my lipstick. So today I'll be using this one from Maybelline New York, and the shade name is 06 Best Babe. It's a beautiful muted pink shade and it's very lightweight on lips, so it's really comfortable as well.